In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an A4 size document in Canva, an easy tutorial designed to guide you through this process smoothly. Whether you're creating a flyer, a post, or any document that needs to adhere to standard A4 dimensions, Canva provides a simple way to do this, although it does require access to Canva Pro. Let's dive right in. To get started, make sure you have Canva open and are logged into your Canva Pro account. The resize function we'll be using is, unfortunately, only available to Pro users, but it's a powerful tool that makes resizing designs a breeze. Once your design is open in Canva, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and locate the Resize button. This button is your gateway to altering your document dimensions to suit your needs. Go ahead and click on the Resize button, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This is where the magic of resizing begins. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to type A4 into the search bar. As you start typing, you'll see the options narrowing down, making it much easier to find your desired size. Typing A4 will bring up various A4 dimension choices, but for this tutorial, we're focused on a standard A4 document. With your A4 size selected from the drop-down menu, look for the Document A4 Portrait option. This option sets your design to the correct portrait dimensions for A4 paper, which is a standard size used in most countries around the world, measuring 210 by 297 millimeters or 8.27 by 11.69 inches. Using this size ensures that your design will print correctly on A4 paper. Once you've selected the A4 portrait size, take your cursor and hover over the Resize this design button and give it a click. This action applies your dimension changes and resizes your existing design to fit the A4 canvas. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, your design is now perfectly sized for any A4 printing needs. To recap, all you need to do is access the resize function in Canva, type A4 to filter your options, select Document A4 Portrait, and then click Resize this design. With these steps, you'll be prepared to print professional-looking documents at just the right size. There you have it, a quick and easy method to prepare your designs for A4 printing using Canva Pro. With this handy feature, you can ensure all your documents are perfectly tailored for any occasion. Feel free to explore more of Canva's robust features to make your designs stand out even more. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.